So today, we're learning about birds, and you're like, this is actually close to the Bumblebee show that we made. But you're like, there's no birds here. You're looking on a wall and stuff. But right up there is a bird's nest, and I bet you that there's a few eggs in there. So birds, they build a nest out of leaves or anything that they can find, and they find a high place that they think they're safe at, and they build one of those. And then they lay their eggs, and from day one, it's a tiny little thing, like kind of like a worm, honestly. If you ever had sea dragons, then that's what they look like. Those little pet things. And then from day 7, they kind of resemble a bird a little bit. Then they start growing their wings. On day 10, they grow their beak and their legs. On day 20, probably, then they are fully ready. And then on day 21 is whenever they hatch. Then they come out with real bird feathers. Then whenever they have a real bird, their feathers are super soft, kind of like a chicken. And then once they get bigger, their feathers are still a little soft, but more thicker than they were. But like and subscribe, bye.